Did you know that mango is known as the king of fruits not only for its taste but also for its impressive health benefits? From boosting immunity to aiding digestion, mango has a lot to offer. But are there any downsides? In today's video, we'll dive into the benefits, potential risks, and the best ways to enjoy mango. And stick around for a quick, refreshing mango recipe you can try at home. Let's start with the benefits of mango. Mango is rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C, which boosts immunity, helps the body absorb iron, and supports skin health. Just 1 cup of mango provides about 70% of your daily vitamin C needs. Mangoes are also high in vitamin A, which is essential for eye health and supports immune function. Vitamin A in mangoes can even help maintain glowing skin. Another benefit of mango is its high fiber content, which aids digestion and helps keep blood sugar levels stable. This makes mango a great option for supporting gut health, as it can prevent constipation and promote regularity. On top of that, mango is packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and polyphenol, which help fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. While mangoes offer plenty of benefits, there are a few things to keep in mind. One concern is their high natural sugar content. 1 cup of mango contains around 23 grams of sugar, which can cause blood sugar spikes if eaten in large amounts. For people with diabetes or those watching their sugar intake, moderation is key. Another potential downside is that mangoes are high in calories compared to some other fruits. If you're trying to manage your weight, it's best to watch portion sizes. Mangoes also contain a compound called urushiol, the same chemical found in poison ivy. For some people, this can cause mild skin reactions when handling or eating mangoes. If you're sensitive to urushiol, be cautious when preparing mango. So, how can you enjoy mango while maximizing its benefits? Here are a few tips. First, stick to moderate portions. About half a cup to 1 cup per serving provides a healthy amount of nutrients without overloading on sugar. Second, pair mango with a protein or healthy fat, like yogurt, nuts, or chia seeds, to help balance blood sugar levels. Finally, try using mango in smoothies, salads, or as a topping for yogurt to add natural sweetness to your dishes without added sugar. Mangoes are incredibly versatile and add a delicious tropical flavor to many recipes. In summary, mango is a delicious, nutrient-rich fruit packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. It supports immunity, eye health, and digestion, but it's best to enjoy it in moderation, especially if you're mindful of your sugar intake. How do you like to eat your mango? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick recipe. Try a mango and avocado salad with lime juice and a sprinkle of chili powder for a refreshing, nutrient-packed dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more food breakdowns and healthy eating tips. See you next time!